Hello friends, we are going to decorate these mini tags. I love these. I got them from the dollar store and I just punched holes out of them. And I'm working on a piece of recycled plastic. And I'm just going to start by adding a little bit of watercolor to the plastic. I really want these to have kind of like this really cool, interesting kind of watercolor stain to them. And to kind of have no control over how the color ends up on them. So I just start out by putting down a whole bunch of these kind of specks of color onto the plastic. So just take your time for this. There's no hurry. It's a little bit weird painting on plastic, but it does work. And of course you could do color families. You could just do warm, cool colors. I did a whole bunch of colors, because that's what I wanted to do. I thought it would look really, really good. But do whatever you want. And I have about 20 tags. I'm also going to add a little bit of this white. It's really chalky, but it does kind of show up a little bit, especially like next to some of the other colors. It like lightens them a bit. So you just need lots of water, and I'm really digging into the watercolor pans too, just to really get that color and that pigment on the paper. And you cannot mess this up, right? You just can't. It's great. And then, yeah, so just kind of take your time doing that. I wanted to add a lot of colors, so I could just do this once. And then I'm going to take the tags and I'm just going to set them right into the watercolor. So you can be kind of random. I just wanted like a little speck on some of them. And so these tags have like one side has like a coating on it, and the other side, is just made from like cardstock. I didn't see a difference either way, so I'm just going to press them into the watercolor, and then slowly I'm going to start picking them up and moving them around to where I think they would look good. You'll see that one's a little bit light, but I wanted some that were really saturated and then some that weren't. So you'll see here that one. Let's look at that one. That one's perfect. That's kind of what I was going for, was that one. So I just kind of put them in the piles of the watercolor that I had left over too, if I think it needs a little bit more color. Look at how pretty that is. And it's going to be like organic and pretty. Very nice. And I did want some of them to be a little bit subtle, so it's okay if they don't have a ton of color. And some of the threads, or the things that hang from it, whatever you call that, I can't think right now, will get a little bit of color on them too, the string. That's what I'm trying to say. We'll get a little bit of color too, so that's great. So these just turn out so great. We're actually going to use these this month in the Painted Paper Society for the project that we make. So they're really fun. I can't wait for them to go to their new homes. These little tags, I think that my subscribers will enjoy them. But it's really fun coming up with these little projects. You can add a little bit more water to stretch the color a little bit more. I have a few tags that I wasn't that happy with, so I'm just going to go in with, the rest and just add them onto that color and move them around a little bit and play. So really fun. I hope that you give this a try, and you can do this with any kind of tags. The possibilities are endless, but plastic makes really interesting kind of marks on paper, which I love. So really fun. And it's a little bit subtle because the color is a little bit lighter, but it still turns out pretty well. And I love the way that they look. So really fun. So I hope you give this a try. And if you want to see how I use these, if you're a part of the Painted Paper Society, you'll see for sure, but I'm going to use them in other projects too, so you'll get to see. But hey, it's a good deal. They're at the dollar store, and that's the way they look. I'm going to let them dry a little bit, and then I will show you at the end what they look like. So you'll get to see all of the beauty that they are.